Hey guys, we received this winter reflective beanie hat. It can be used by both men and women. Warm, cuffed winter knit hat cap. It can be used for running, outdoor sports, or any other way. So as you can see, comes in a nice box and is a really nice, comfortable material, high elasticity, as you can see, and also have a knitted textured pattern and stretched without any issue. So soft material inside and so that you can keep your head warm as you can feel it here. Super soft lining and can be used for any type of hairstyle as well. Also, this have a reflective yarn. So like if you go in the dark, it will like or there's some car light and stuff. This will have the reflective uh, pattern. Also, feel really nice on the sides and looks great as well. Is after wearing, it's more comfortable, cover your whole head, ears, and stuff, and also like feel warm. So overall, this is a nice beanie hat with a high elasticity for your winters.